how to adjust the clutch on a DeWALT cordless drill. Now, if you don't know what the clutch is, this is this section around here. Now, this, when your arrow is pointing to this here, this is the drill mode, and that is the hammer mode. However, you need to come back this way, and as soon as you get into the numbers, you have activated the clutch. So number 1 takes the least amount of force to stop the clutch and kick it in. So once you hit something hard, the clutch will kick in and stop the drill from working. Oops. This is ideal if you're drilling into something soft and you don't want to overdrive. However, if you want a bit more torque, keep pumping it up. It'll take more pressure on the chuck itself or your drill bit to stop the motion. So I'll need to grip this a little harder to stop the chuck from working. And then you go all the way up to 15. And this will take the most force on the chuck to stop it from turning. And it's very hard to do on such a good drill like the DeWALT cordless drill. Now I can't do that. However, that's how to adjust the clutch on your DeWALT cordless drill. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.